Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to make mild shampoo at home. Before wasting any time, let's get started. Mild shampoo. Take two stainless steel vessel with name with part A and part B. Part A contains SLES 400 ml, cocoa dye 16 ml, cocoa mono 10 grams, silicone oil 10 ml, glycerine 20 ml, propylene glycerine 10 ml. Part B contains MTSO 0.5 gram, EDTA 0.5 gram, water, distilled water 200 ml. Procedure: add part A with 200 ml SLES in vessel and add part B in another vessel. Put both the vessels in double boiler. Stir slowly. Once everything melts, properly see the temperature. The temperature should be 70 degrees Celsius. Take out both the vessels from the double boiler. Add B to A and stir gently for some time. Cool it for 12 hours. Add remaining 200 ml SLES in part A. Check the pH balance and add color and fragrance. So you can add color and fragrance 0.5 gram to 1 gram, not more than that or lesser than that. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification for more such videos. See you in the next video.